to you guys. I have one important information to address. Please, I just want to live for the sake of my son. I'm passing this information to my colleagues in the industry. I've had it up to here.
Ẹ̀yin tèmi arábìnrin tí a mọ̀ sí HABIBAT JINAD ó ti jáde ó jáde wá drag colleague rẹ̀ tí a mọ̀ sí YETUNDE BAKARE. Ó ní wípé ó ní bí wọ́n ṣe ń búlì òun ó ní òun ò fẹ́ ó ní bí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ sí òun ò fẹ́. Ó ní wọ́n tako gbogbo àwọn olórí òun. Ó ní tó bá ti béèrè wípé arábìnrin yìí ṣé a lè ṣe lórí wọn ní má lọ síbẹ̀ o. Ó ní wípé ó ní kán jọ̀ọ́ kan wò tí àwọn ọmọ òun kó má ti tako òun mọ́. Ẹ̀yin tèmi ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ látẹnu arábìnrin yìí bí ó ṣe call out YETUNDE BAKARE tó jẹ́ colleague rẹ̀.
Had different types of rumors about me. It might not be everywhere, but it's going around in the industry. I am just tired. I am extremely tired. Please let me live for the sake of my son. Even if I die today, a lot of you will write RIP on your page, and you know we deep down within you that you don't like me, all because you heard one thing or the other that is not true. Please, anything you hear about me, please, I'm begging you in the name of God, ask me and I will tell you that's the truth or that's not true. Please let me live. Consider my mental health. I've had it up to here. YETUNDE BAKARE, it will cost lo poju nkan to ṣẹlẹ̀. Please, I'm begging you. Ó ti bẹ̀ mí, but that thing keeps coming back. Some people ló fẹ́ help me. A lot of people ló fẹ́ meet me. Tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ mi pa, I like this person. You be like, no go area. No go areas. Ow. Ṣé mo pààyàn ni? No go areas. Àwọn èèyàn tó yẹ kó ti help èèyàn. Àwọn èèyàn tó yẹ kó support èèyàn. Ẹ máa lọ bá èèyàn jẹ́ ń bẹ̀. This is unfair.